The current time, 7:57 in the morning, and they just opened up the orange garage as we are making our way to Disney Springs. Since I am here so early, we get to walk right in. Thank you, thank you. We are in. Good morning. I am one of the first ones in this morning. Oh, this is great. This is awesome. So good to be back in here. And check out these brand new summertime Minnie Mouse ears. They're so cute. Little pool floats. And then over here, all the Mickey Mouse graduation ears. Look at this. They have Baby Yodas and graduation Mickeys. Okay, I found all of the Baby Yoda plushes. I'm pretty sure in about 10 minutes, these will be gone. Looks like the Minnie Mouse polka dot collection came back this year. We have some new merchandise. T-shirts, a regular pair of Minnie Mouse ears, another woman's t-shirt, and a Disney Loungefly backpack. Pretty cool. And I am seeing hand sanitizer stations and signs, making sure people keep that social distance. They have plenty of the Baby Yoda spirit jerseys. And look at these cool little hats. Those are awesome. Whoa, look at this Star Wars button up. Has every single movie poster on the shirt. I was really hoping to find the brand new black Haunted Mansion Spirit jersey, but I am not seeing it today. But look at this really cool Haunted Mansion coffee mug. Oh my goodness, look at this coffee mug. That is cool. I have been wanting one of these limited edition coffee mugs. They have all letters of the alphabet, and I see a D with the Dapper Dans on it. I mean, look, F for Fairy, Tinkerbell, G for Grumpy, J for Jungle Cruise. Wow. Oh, the T is Tomorrowland. I'm going to grab me a shopping basket because I really didn't think I would be buying stuff this morning. And they are fully stocked on all of the Starbucks cups. Ladies, check out these leggings with all of the Disney dogs. I really like this Winnie the Pooh t-shirt. I will say, I have never had a better shopping experience like today. Usually this place is jam-packed with people, but as we see, nobody is around me, and I am able to shop with nobody on top of me. I love this DJ Rex t-shirt, but as far as brand new merchandise, I'm really not seeing any. All the Minnie Mouse main attraction merchandise sold out yesterday. Other than that, nothing really new. These would be really cool to wear on my next Disney cruise, especially this one, $150. Well, about 10 minutes later, what did I tell you? They would all be gone of the Baby Yoda plushes. They do have plenty of the wishable packs. They have the Space Mountain wishable. I want to say these plushes are pretty new. I have not seen these before. Holy cow. Look at this Baymax. He's huge. I'm pretty sure these graduation 2020 Mickey Mouses will be going pretty fast. $21.99. I tell you what a year to graduate. They still have all of the Onward merchandise because when Disney shut down, Onward just hit theaters and now you can watch it on Disney+. The really big thing to be careful of while you're shopping inside the world of Disney or any sort of grocery store or retail store, try not to touch everything unless you're going to buy it. Oh, wait a minute. These are brand new. Unicorn Minnie Mouse ears. Okay. That's pretty cool. Wow, they even have the giant projections on the wall. I mean, it is so good to be back. Everything is opening little by little. Looks like I found the little bit of brand new merchandise that they do have. New arrival. Looks like all of the new summertime Disney collection. Look at the Spirit jersey. I'm going to not touch it because I don't want to do that. And they have park towels. I can tell, I already want that one. Rain jacket, and of course the Minnie Mouse pool floaty ears. Looks like a watermelon pullover purse. Look at this summertime t-shirt to match your Minnie Mouse pool floaty ears. Those are cool. Also have a pair of shorts and a tank top. Home Sweet Home, a Mickey Mouse pineapple wallet, a lot of new merchandise for your little ones. Look at that backpack. And the little sun hat, this hat is awesome. Look at this coffee mug. I love coffee mugs, by the way. New arrival, looks like some playing cards. Look at these summertime flip-flops. Oh boy, they have Disney Crocs. I love the retro sun visor. I can see my Nana wearing this on her first Disney vacation. And also another Mickey Mouse cup. This t-shirt is pretty cool. And then look at this one. All of the Disney summertime snacks, button up. I am now looking at the Disney pins, but I am not seeing anything new. And they do have ground markers placed down all over the store to make sure you keep that physical distance. Okay, I am done shopping, but look at this. You can walk right up to check out. This is a scene I have never witnessed before, because usually there's a long line in here. Ooh, look at these World of Disney reusable bags. Disney has installed plexiglass at the registers. Disney has cast members always wiping down items and surfaces. I just checked out, and look at this at the register. I just left the World of Disney, and it looks like it is very slow today. I believe they are still letting people walk right inside. No more virtual queue as of right now. I'm sure I'll get a little more busy as the day goes on. I have not had any coffee this morning, so I definitely need some. And there's no wait. Looks like Starbucks installed plexiglass also. I got my iced coffee, so now let's try to find somewhere quiet so I can finally do an intro. I have found a nice quiet spot right outside of the World of Disney. And since I got a Starbucks drink, I am allowed to finally remove my mask and breathe. Also, this is the longest time I have started a video but never done an intro. So finally, we're doing the intro. Good morning, my friends. I hope all of you are having an awesome, fantastic day. As you should know by now, I am here at Disney Springs, day 2 of the Disney operated stores being open. I just got out of the World of Disney, did some shopping. Really good experience. It was good to be back, very well organized. I like the virtual queue. That way you don't have to just wait in a line. You can go do other things and then come back. But the good thing about me coming here this early, I got right in. I did not have to wait in any sort of line. But over here at the Market Co-op, there is a line. Oh no, there is not a line. Looks like they just let this line go in. So I will probably hit that right now as soon as I am done filming. I know the Lego store just opened yesterday, so hopefully we'll get a sneak peek inside there today. Here in Central Florida, we are still dealing with this tropical storm. As you see, it is very overcast this morning. It was super foggy when I was driving in. I don't know how long we have until it starts raining, but we're gonna make the best out of it. I hope you guys are ready because I am. Well, I hope you guys are by now if you made it this far in the video. Let's go do this. This is also why I try to wait for the crowds to die down the next day of a new thing opening, because now look, it is empty. This time yesterday, I mean, it was a madhouse. All right, I am now heading to the Marketplace Co-op. There's not a line, you can walk right in. They have Baby Yoda merchandise in here also, but I am not really seeing anything new just yet. Oh my goodness, I am so excited right now. I had no idea they sold these candles. I thought it was only at Festival of the Arts in Epcot. If you guys remember, I love these candles because they smell like some of the Disney scents that we like. I wonder if they have the Riviera. They have Dole Whip. Oh, they have the Riviera. They have Wilderness Lodge. They have the candle that smells like Flight of Passage, but this one, $32. Oh my goodness. Look at this Haunted Mansion button up. I love that. How much is it? My hands are full. I got 2 candles. Let me try to set them down here. $85. They do have a t-shirt version for $30. I found another Haunted Mansion t-shirt, but I think I like this way more because it has Hatbox Ghosts. And if you guys don't know, I think this may be my next tattoo. I mean, pretty much they have the exact same merchandise that you would find in the World of Disney. But over here, they have these signs. Please limit handling of items. These shirts are pretty cool over here. They always make better merchandise for ladies. The dressing rooms are closed during this time. Holy Alex and Ani. They have a ton. You can get Spirit jerseys for your puppies. I really like that Disney has hand sanitizer stations all over the place. That way you will always be safe after you touch things. I will tell you guys, shopping at Disney, very, very dangerous, especially when you have not shopped at Disney for over 2 months. But the Penn store is not open just yet. Hopefully sometime soon they will reopen the Penn store. I mean, it's crazy. I am so glad, as my glasses are fogging up, I am so glad I waited for the next day. Like I said, yesterday was a madhouse. But let's go see if the Lego store is open, and hopefully, well, I was wanting to stay down here for lunch, but I was not expecting to be done so early. I really thought I would be waiting in some sort of line, but everything's been a walk-on today. I'm a little early for the Lego store because they are not open just yet, but I do see cast members inside getting ready. I know Marketplace Snacks reopened yesterday, and this is where you can come and get a Dole Whip. I hope it opens pretty soon because I'm not gonna lie, I would like one. Also, the Disney snack carts reopened yesterday, and this is where you can come, get your popcorn bucket refilled, your Mickey ice cream sandwiches. I know the Daily Poutine reopened yesterday. Deluxe Burger has reopened, but I believe they're only doing mobile order pickup. I could really go for some Blaze Pizza. I know they are open, but it's still too early. It's only 9:30 in the morning. I know this pop-up bar has reopened, and also Disney Style, not open just yet. Here's a quick look at the M&M store coming down here to Disney Springs. Looks like they are hard at work. The NBA Experience has not reopened just yet, but it is a very strong rumor that the NBA will finish out their season here at Walt Disney World at the ESPN complex. I really need CityWorks to reopen. I miss their food. All right, my friends, I think I'm gonna call it a morning from here at Disney Springs. Very fun morning. I got everything done and more that I wanted to do. I like this shot better. You can see the Disney hot air balloon right here. You know, it's just really good being back here at Disney. I know we just have Disney Springs open right now, and little by little, everything is starting to reopen. We just found out yesterday, July 11th, Magic Kingdom and Animal Kingdom will be reopening, and then July 15th, Epcot and Hollywood Studios. So something to really look forward to. Plus the resorts are reopening, and then on June 22nd, we have the DVC resorts opening back up. So that's really something to look forward to. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys are new here, because we do this quite often, and make sure you have those notifications turned on and set to always. That way you'll always be notified when I upload a brand new video or even go live. Make sure you're following me along on Instagram, and check out all my links down below if you want to help and support the channel in other ways. I love you. Please remember, it's nice to be nice, and YouTube, I'll see you in the next video. The sun's finally coming out. It's going to be a good day. It already is a good day. I'll see you in the next video. Prince Charming.
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, were those gonna lift me up this time? You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me